back to my channel. Today is the second day of Vlogmas and I'm going to be vlogging today. I was gonna do a finals week in my life, but I quickly realized that that would require a lot more work on my part and you guys wouldn't get as timely of content, so I figured individual days and me just figuring out as I go would probably be the most beneficial. Also, this year my finals aren't finals, if you will. Let me explain. It's different than any other year I've ever done where I've had like 4 or 5 finals. I take them on certain days, you take them, you're done. This year I'm in 12 credits of ICE because I'm a 3rd year in the comm school at UVA, if you guys didn't know, if you're new here. So the comm school is business school and we have 12 credits there, and basically we have 6 finals for those 12 credits and it's all one final, if that makes sense. So like we are given one document, we do it, you can turn it in as you go, like whatever, but we were given it yesterday, which was Wednesday at 1 p.m. and it's due Monday at 5. So everything is due then. And then I also have another class, media law, and we just have 2 tests for that class instead of a final. So the first test is due next Monday, and then the second test is due next Thursday or Friday, I don't know. But basically I'm doing comm and then I'm doing media law. Like it's 2 wholly separate things. Both are open book, open note, which is great. Although let me not discount how hard comm is probably about to be. Just because it's that doesn't mean that you don't really have to use your brain and what you learn this semester. Honestly, I didn't really want to film today and I really haven't been in the mood to do work. I've been really unmotivated. I've been sleeping in a lot and not even out of like, I'm just like tired. I don't know if it's because I'm home, or if it's because like I haven't really been sleeping a ton this semester, or I have been working out more consistently at home, so maybe it's that too. I don't know. It's definitely harder for me to get out of bed in the morning, and it's especially hard when the sun goes down here at like 4:45, so kind of feels like my day is very shortened, but we're making the most of it. I'm turning this day around and we're going to be productive because my finals due on Monday and I have a lot of work to do for that. So if you guys are new, definitely subscribe down below. This is going up tomorrow, which is Friday, and it's my second day of Vlogmas. I'm making new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday during the month of December until Christmas, so definitely subscribe, check them out. Also like comment, that would be really great, whether it's video requests, what you're doing, how your finals are going. Literally talk to me about anything. I always respond and it really helps my videos out in the YouTube algorithm, so it really helped me out. This drink was recommended by Emma Top. She's a YouTuber. She's also from Richmond. She actually went to like my rival high school, which I think is funny, but she has no idea who I am. I love watching her videos and I follow her religiously on Instagram, and she recommended this drink back in October or September. It was really good, very fall. So she recommended this one. It's a grande cold brew with mocha, and I got 1 pump of peppermint syrup in the actual cold brew and then sweet cream on top. Tastes like a peppermint mocha, definitely more caffeinated, which is what I need. It's definitely like sugary, but it's not like super sugary, you know what I mean? I'm gonna take all my drinks inside and my thing for my mom, and we're gonna get this day started. It's gonna be great. I did a little desk reorg, and actually yesterday I removed the shelf from my desk just because whenever I was sitting there I was staring right at the shelf and not at my actual laptop because I am like pretty tall. So I reorganized it a little bit today even more, and I put the lamp over to the right. I always avoided doing this just because my lamp is over here to the left, so it seems really close. If I'm just sitting at the desk, it makes more sense that it would be not here because this is like precious space, because that's where like this chair opening is. So now I'm like more straight on facing my computer and my monitor, so it just feels like more, I don't know, efficient. This is kind of like the workspace and this is like the extra space. This planner kind of doubles as my mouse pad and like my top 3 to-dos of the day. I'll have my Notion pulled up here, and then I'll have this down here with my like top 3 tasks, and I just like to physically write things down. This is definitely good for like planning and like figuring out the order of everything today and like doing that, but I love just like having top 3 and just like crossing it out. I also have my iPad here. I just downloaded this app last night, which I'm gonna try and use today. What's it called? Focus Keeper. Oh, and it's sideways. It's basically like a Pomodoro in an app. Like the idea that it like keeps you on track more, and it's like, here's what you actually need to do. So I'm gonna try and use this today. I'll let you guys know how that goes. Since I have had like such a tough time focusing, what I've been doing is turning my phone on Do Not Disturb and putting it over here, away, literally physically away from where I am. I also have do not just, oh my gosh, I just grabbed my coffee and the lid came off. That would have been horrible. I also turn on do not disturb on my computer and my iPad. Right now, I'm just gonna sit here and plan out my day. But first, I'm going to go through my email, and I've been meaning to respond to like 4 different people for 4 completely separate different things. It's really been weighing on me, so I'm going to put on vlogmas videos or something in the background because it doesn't require a lot of focus. I don't know why I've been putting it off, but it's just like I have. So I'm gonna do those. Also, yesterday I used this website called Clockify. Mackenzie Morgan recommended it. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. She's so productive, and I think for me, a lot of the times I'll feel really lazy or I'll feel really productive, and both of the times, sometimes it's warranted but sometimes it's not. And yesterday I was like, oh my gosh, I spent so much time like on YouTube stuff, like whatever. No, I spent 3 hours, which is a long time, but like that's not the full work day. Like, are you kidding me? So I think it's definitely, I'm gonna start like using this week and just like in the future, just to see. If you ask me how many hours per week I spent on school or YouTube or anything, like I would not know how to answer that. Like I have no idea. I'm just interested to see. Doing it again today. Hello. I have since responded to everyone. It did take a minute and I'm still waiting on one thing from someone else, but it feels so good to get that out of the way, and I really don't know why I was putting it off, but I was. So now is the time that I've been dreading slash need to get going on. I'm going to reread through my ICE exam and just kind of get an idea of like what needs to be done. I will probably open up Notion too and make some sort of to-do list. I've already made like basically like a what needs to get done for finals, and that includes under each section I have it organized by like started, not started, in progress, whatever. But then I also have it, if you click on it, I can see like what the specifications are. I have all that information in there. My goal is to figure out like when I'm doing what, and that sounds simple, but one, it has to be strategic, obviously it should be, and 2, I feel like I have to know exactly what's going on for everything. I'm gonna try and figure that out in whatever method works. It's probably gonna be a hot minute till I talk to you guys next. What I can share is my outfit for today, because I'm sure everyone's wondering about my finals fit. Just kidding. But I do, like, I just love looking at people's comfy outfits because this is what I wear most of the time. So I'm wearing my everyday jewelry, which I mentioned in my last video, my favorites video, so go check that out if you haven't. I'll link it up in a card. And then I'm wearing this top from J. Crew. It's from forever ago, and I think it's actually my mom's, but whatever. And then I'm wearing these also really old yoga pants from Target, I think. And then I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. I haven't taken them off since I went to Starbucks this morning, but I just love like the height it gives me with like the yoga pants. Good vibes. I unfortunately left my full-length mirror at school, so this is the best you guys are getting. Okay, first of all, my neighbor has been blowing his leaves for, I swear to God, over 30 minutes. I'm going to de-nice someone. Anyways, hi guys, it's been an hour or 2 or so. I completed like the full, what's it called, Pomodoro thing, like completed the whole section, but I figured out my timetable. I feel good about it. It is kind of on a time crunch. I probably should have like started actually like doing exam things yesterday, but I didn't. So I am doing a part tonight, so I have to kind of like mentally prepare for that. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I got that extra coffee today at Starbucks. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I did. So probably gonna do a Peloton ride soon for my own mental clarity. I'm liking that I want to work out. That's like a shocking thing to like relieve some stress and stuff. Reminds me of high school. Hello everyone, I've since eaten dinner, relaxed a little bit, I'm now geared up to take one of the sections of my exam. I have a coffee here and I have some water. My thought process is that I will probably take a break around halfway and do a quick Peloton ride, because I was gonna do one right after I talked to y'all before, but my dad was on the Peloton for like an hour, hour and a half. So hopefully it goes well. I'll let you guys know. Hello everyone. I just finished my workout. It is now 9:13. I'll probably shower right now and then I'll get back working into my exam. But it felt good to get a little bit of a sweat in. My legs definitely felt like pretty tired from the past couple days, but it's okay. All good. I'm gonna just shower now to get all this sweat off. I need to wash my hair and then I'll get back into my exam. Hey, hi guys. I'm gearing up to take my exam right now. And you guys are probably like, why are you taking it at 10 p.m? Basically, I have to. There's really no other choice. I'm gonna work on it until 12, and if it's not done by then I'm just gonna finish it in the morning, but I have to do it. Like, I have to at least start. So I'm gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna do the Pomodoro technique, but instead of doing 25 minutes, I'm gonna do 50 minutes with a 10-minute break, because I work better that way. Because sometimes the Pomodoro is a little bit too short, because it sometimes takes me a while to get like into something, and I can like really get into like a flow state. I don't know whether it was the workout, the more water, or the shower, but I took ibuprofen earlier because I had a pounding headache and it's gone now, so that's perfect. I'll let you guys know after. It is now almost 11:45. I am still very much working on my exam. I'm gonna finish at least this question that I'm on right now, and then going to upload all the clips from today's video into Final Cut and get to editing. It's definitely gonna be a late night and an early morning, but I'm gonna end off the vlog here because there's really not much else to show tonight, just me staying up far too late. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. It really helps out my channel, and subscribe if you're new, because I'm making new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during the month of December until Christmas. So just definitely subscribe, turn on post notifications if you really want to go crazy, and yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.